to my channel. Today I have prepared a video for you how to print an Excel spreadsheet quickly and easily. First, I need to create a table or two. So I'm going to create two tables where I'm going to have two values. So let's say room and check. The second one will make, for example, car and check. I'll adjust the font and the border and also the color. When I'm gone, I create charts for them, which by the way, I did a video on last time, so be sure to watch that. I've got a table and the charts ready. And now the magic happens. I click anywhere in the space and press Ctrl plus P. This automatically prepares the print window, and all I have to do is connect the printer and confirm. Thank you for watching the video, and please give me like and subscribe. See you next time. Bye.